Hello Glamour Ghouls, welcome back. I hope you all had a lovely week this week. It was very exciting last week to get our first Code Orange of the season, and it's just been a really awesome week here and on Instagram. I want to start off by thanking every single new subscriber and new follower just for being here, and to all of you who have been here and share my content all the time. I seriously can't thank you enough. It was kind of a big week for me. I personally, just in goals for myself, I finally hit 5K over on Instagram, which is a goal I set for myself this year, so I'm very excited about that. And we finally hit 7,000 here on YouTube. So thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Midge Munster, and on this channel we do all things campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. And if you are new here, please think about subscribing to the channel before you leave today. We are headed into the height of spooky season, and this is the channel for all of your late breaking Code Orange news. If you like Halloween decor hunting, if you like spooky hauls, if you like just hanging out with a crazy redhead who really loves Halloween, this is the place. So please think about sticking around. We would love to have you as part of the Glamour Ghoul gang. Another reason this week was very exciting is because I received my first ever PR box, and it feels very cool to say I'm on their PR list. I feel like I've just been saying that all week. I'm like, oh, them, I'm on their PR list. Oh, me, I'm on their PR list. I'm just gonna be milking that for the rest of my life. So I do have my first ever PR box from one of my favorite companies in the world, and as the title suggests, this box came in the mail from Spirit Halloween on Saturday, and I'm just so excited and thankful. And if you had told me at this time last year, my channel hadn't really taken off yet in June. It took off in late July last year. And if you had told me last year in June that I'd be sitting here in June 2021 with a PR box from Spirit, it's so cool. So I wanted to save this. I've had this for a couple days and I didn't want to open it until I was with you all. So we are gonna open this. First of all, this is such a cool box. It's got our spooky friend on it there. All right, are you ready? Let's see what we got. Ooh. Okay. So excited. It says, "Can you feel it in your bones? Spirit Halloween's Unhuman Resources team has a unique treat for our favorite Halloween enthusiasts. Enjoy at your own risk." Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And it's got a little card in here with my name on it. We'll open that in just a second, but this is what it looks like when we opened it. Even just seeing all the black and orange is so... Okay, so we have a card here. Ooh, "Your soul is required. Sincerely, your pal Jack." When? So we have a date. When? 7/15/21 is when we're gonna expect Spirit this year. Then we've got a web address down there. I'll put that in the description box. So July 15th, I'm assuming that's when the stores are opening. I think that's what that means. Maybe we should go to the web address right now. Okay, so when you go to the web address, it just has this little countdown saying it's coming in 30 days. Which I guess, yeah, it's the 14th, so we're about a month out from that date. What do we have in here? We have some very cute Spirit popcorn containers with some Spirit brand microwave popcorn. Cute. And got a second one, and it looks like there's some stickers in here. Oh, cute. So yeah, we've got a couple cute little Spirit brand stickers with our little Jack pal. I have a Spirit lanyard with a VIP. Ooh, So you didn't know you were hanging out with a VIP today, did you? Oh, and I've got some little coupons on the back here, so that's very exciting as well. We've got some, oh, they even feel like gross. We've got some gummy treats, some gummy brains, Unhuman Resources. Should we see what they look like? Oh, gross. It's like totally do. They look like little brains. Oh, they look good. All right. And then we've got a full moon treats with like a werewolf illustration on them. Let's see what this is. Oh, cute. They're like candy bones that look all bloodied. And then we've got one last thing. We've got limited edition enamel pins from Spirit. And we've got like the little Jack in the middle, a free candy bucket, and a bloody mallet. So that is everything in the Spirit Halloween announcement box, I guess. I don't know what to call it. But we have all the makings of a really fun spooky movie night, so I can't wait to use all of that. Thank you so much to Spirit Halloween for including me in this preview box. It was so cool to get PR mail, and like especially from like the Halloween store. I'm just ecstatic. I'm so excited, and I told you guys that they had kind of reached out to me, and I'm just very excited. I did also want to do one other bit of like spooky mail unboxing. I got some pants. I posted on my Instagram story. I got my first ever black like bell bottoms from Kelstar, and I'm really excited about them. They came, but they were having a sale when I ordered, and I saw this and I was like, I have to get it. Oh, it's big. It's a lot bigger than I thought. I'm so excited. So I also ordered this spooky jack-o'-lantern mug, and I really like it. It's really big. I didn't expect it to be quite like, this is a good size mug. I'm really excited about this. I love spooky mugs, and it's one of those things that I'm like sad I can't get year round. So I was really excited to see this. And because it was on sale, it was like really cheap. So it's ceramic. I mean, it's nice. I'm excited about this. I just wanted to unbox it on here and share it because obviously this is very the vibe. One little last bit of mail business before I go today. If you didn't see on Instagram this morning, we did select a winner for the Creature Claw giveaway. Thank you all so much to everybody who entered. We had over 250 entries, which was incredible. But congratulations to the winner of the Creature Claws. That was Glamourghoul_Barizis, which I thought was super funny that the person who won had Glamourghoul in their Insta tag. And I actually like messaged her about it when I was getting her shipping details, and she was not even a person who had subscribed to the channel. She found me through Miranda at Spooky Little Halloween, and I was like, well, it's perfect that you won. So I think that's just about it for today. This is gonna be a short and sweet video, but do consider subscribing before you leave today if you're not already. I do put out a new video every Monday, and I have been checking at home religiously. I know we've seen a few little things here and there, some potion bottles, some skulls coming out on some of the coasts, but nothing at my at home yet, and no stocked at homes anywhere in the US right now that I'm aware of as of like Monday night at 7 p.m. So we are hoping and dreaming that it'll be next week. I've heard a lot of people say that At Home is saying it's not gonna be until July. I don't know if I believe them. I think maybe they're gonna surprise us. But you know, as soon as I know, you will know. So stay tuned, and until next time, keep it campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. Bye!
When windows come out to socialize.